Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've done this dark mermaid. It's kind of like a siren. I guess sirens are like evil mermaids, right? So I've got the beauty part to this look, which I've put in the first half of this video. Second part of this video, which is more of the special effects, a little bit more complicated, and towards the end of this look you'll be able to see the gore aspect of it. I've done a mermaid before and I just wanted to do it again because mermaids are fun. It's probably been 3 or 4 years since I've done a mermaid on myself. So I'm starting off with this nice little glam look. I mean, I call it glam, but it has black in it. I don't know. Is this still glam? And then I'm going to jump on to the gore part. So if you want to see how to do the glam mermaid, just keep watching. So to start, I'm using my element to airbrush with pigments. I'm starting off with the purple to get a feel for the colour. If you don't have an airbrush gun, you would be able to do this look easily with eyeshadows. That's how I did this look the first time. It's just not as seamless when you get to creating the scales. I've just added blue and black to give this look a bit of dimension for the base. Now I'm going to use Crown Brushes palette, which I will put a description up in a second. They have 2 really amazing duochrome shades in there. This one's kind of like a bluey purpley effect, and then they've got a straight shimmer purple, which is just beautiful with this look. To top this look off, the highlighter I'm using is called Snow Flash by MAC. I believe it was a limited edition last Christmas, but it may still exist, and it gives like a really pink kind of flushed snow flash look. Using Model Rock's eyeliner pen, I'm just doing light strokes and filling in my brows. Now to get these beautiful mermaid scales, I am using fishnet stockings. You can kind of have a play with what shape stockings you want. I'm just laughing at my face right now. To get different types of scales. I went for the traditional style, but yeah, pick any style fishnet that you like and go for it. I'm now using black to go over the contour areas, and then I'm going in with a few different eyeshadows, and mainly the highlighter eyeshadows that I used before, just to blend that black in a bit more and create a few different colored scales. And to finish off the look and give it something extra, I'm just applying this gem sticker from Cosmetics Plus. And that is the finished look for the Glam Mermaid. If you wanted to change it up a bit, you could add in the black contacts like I did. And now we're going to jump on to part 2 of the video. So this is part 2 to my mermaid look. The first look was more glam and quite pretty, but still had the darker tones. Now I've added in the neck piece, and I'll show you the special effects surprise during this video, so just keep watching. This flap of skin is done really poorly. I'm sorry guys. I think because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do this, I wanted this to be something I could stick on later. Okay, I'm back. So before I blend this all, I'm gonna put myself in. So I found like a bit of cling wrap, thing for bread, and this is a baby wipe. Now I can see, yeah, I'm gonna do it like this, and then I'm gonna re-glue the top. So I've just gone around the house and found pieces of plastic that could possibly reach the ocean one day, and I'm putting this inside the skin piece before gluing it down with Pros-Aid and then blending with latex. I'm now sticking on scales, which I happened to find at a craft store a few years ago. They're the perfect shape for scales and stick on really easily. Okay, so we're just gonna let this dry, and then I'll come back and see if it looks any good. Alright, I'll see you soon. To blend in the scales, I am using my airbrush again with the black pigment. what would happen if you cut out a mermaid's throat? Would there still be plastic in it? Have we really made a change? Are we making changes? I know that's really deep, but I just was inspired to do this look because of what Face Halo is doing, and I thought it was a really cool concept to have my mermaid with plastic stuck inside her. So use Face Halo because you're saving mermaids, okay?